Hello friends, in this video you will learn how you will share the first quotation to the client. Your first quotation should be very competitive and accurate because this is the first interaction of you with your clients. So click on leads. Okay, there's an option of no quotation lead. Okay, here you will have the list of the leads where you have not sent any quotations yet. Okay, so for example, you are sending the fresh quotation to Falguni. Click on Falguni. Okay, once you click on Falguni, you will have all the details: his tour theme, okay, his created date, hotel category, preferred call time, line. Please make sure that you are reading the TS comment before sending any quotation to the client. Okay, now click on send quotation. Once you will click on send quotation, CRM will auto fetch the details of already saved packages in CRM. Like you already have the 2 nights Munnar package of Kerala already in your system, so that you can select that package and utilize. Also, you can send new quotation by clicking this and create a fresh package. So now you are utilizing the already saved package on your CRM. Click on select package. So you will have the entire details of the leads and all the details already filled. Okay. Now in this, suppose you are offering flight, you can select flight as well, enter flight description. If you are offering other inclusions, you can also click on other inclusion and specify your inclusions. Okay. You can specify your inclusions. Now number of adults, select number of rooms you want. Okay, to start date, advance payment, your net package cost. For example, your net package cost is 20,000. You are adding your 11% commission, 10% commission of travel C2. So total package is 24,420 plus 500 convenience fees. So this is the overall selling cost. Okay. Now this is the destination. So here your hotel name. You are offering first night in Munnar, hotel name. For example, if you are offering Oakville. So now we have already integrated the TripAdvisor on our CRM. So once you will enter the name of the hotel, there will be auto fetch details of the hotel which you need to select. Click on the room category which you are giving to the client. In Tekri, for example, you are offering treetop. Okay. Suppose your hotel is not in the list of the TripAdvisor, then you can also specify by clicking here the name treetop. Okay, select. Okay, this is the automatic itinerary. Okay, select your dinner inclusions, all the things. Okay, and send the packages. Please make sure that you are entering the exact itinerary, day-wise proper itinerary detailed thing to the client. Now send package to the. As soon as you will send the package to the clients, the package is sent to the guest through WhatsApp, SMS, and email. So we are sending the packages through WhatsApp, SMS, as well as email to the client. So this, click here, you can download the package as well. Okay, if you want to view your packages, go to the lead. Okay, and you can view your quotation from here. Accommodation, cabs, inclusions, itinerary, everything, every details you will get. So this is how easy to send the first quotation to the client. Okay, please make sure that you are sending the first quotation with accurate and proper details, because if you will share first quotation with inaccurate details, improper pricing, then it may lead to the suspension of your account. Okay, thank you.